What'd you just say? You guess we're filming today. Good morning, plumbers. Boy, we about to get busy. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning, plumbers. He ain't ready yet. He just is not ready, folks, and I am. Here's the deal, folks. We do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm on high energy alert right now. We have a sewer machine. I'm going to get to use my Flexshaft. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Number one rule in plumbing.
What was that?
Something you didn't secure. You're here for my convenience, correct?
Barely.
Yes.
Hey.
If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And here we are. Sewer clog. We're on the scene. Cookhouse. Now, I don't know if we have a trap here or a T, but something looks a little suspect, so we're going to check it out.
We're going to do just go around on that?
I'm going to see if it's a trap or just a cleanup box, because the trap will have another opening here. Like, look at this. Look at all these wraps. All right, look at me. Grab me the curve plunger. Wow.
The blue one?
No, the curve plunger on the pipe. And my grabber. Now, in Atlantic City, if you don't pay your bill, which I doubt that, they come out here. Oh, here we go. We're getting movement. They come out here and they clog your sewer.
Really?
Yeah. I'll get ready for the shot of shot. Get ready. Stand back, because there might be some pressure on this. Matter of fact, move our stuff. Hold this. Oh yeah, here it comes, baby.
Oh, wow.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Move my light over there. All baby wipes. Oh, look at this joker right there. Get ready. It's growing. A little bit of pressure, huh? Give me that curve plunger. Whole house is backed up. There it is, boys. We just got the shot of shots. Who doesn't love plumbing today, boys? Woo. Man. That is gnarly. That is a worst case scenario right there. Ha ha ha. The only problem is all this went in the city side. We probably just clogged up the whole city with that. Knock on the door. See if we can flush some toilets. Both sides. It's not. Knock on both sides. I think they're both occupied. So, all you apprentices out there, there we go. Flush the city. Now what I'm going to do here, skid marks, oh Lord. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to clean the city side because obviously I clogged the city side right there. And we're responsible from the curb in, but I want to hit the ladder with the flex machine. Yeah. Knock on that side too.
She said, it's probably but she said when they flush the toilet, it comes out the same too.
The whole house is blocked up. So knock on both doors. I want multiple toilets flush. Let's get the big flex machine out, Ange. We got to clean. See, we just shoved all that crap
Right down there.
right into the city line.
Do you think that's back up?
Yeah, it is. But this should go down. I'm going to need the big machine and the screw gun. Oh, Joe, awesome. Andrew, go flush the toilet again, please. Yes, they're both together. Good that you're seeing both of these. Now you come to this house, right? You know what's happened when we first got here. What was happening?
The house side was...
The house side was clogged. This was clear. Now the street's clogged. Both will be overflowing. And look, if they keep using the toilets, it'll come up. It'll fill this whole box up. Yeah. So that's how we know it's now. It's the street side. I hate to get my new machine so dirty. Now this is my second time using this. My first time failed.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
At the club. Yeah. Don't mind the flies, boys and girls.
Can you get down there?
Lift this shovel up for me, right? Right there. You can pull the shovel out. Operate that for me. The gun?
Yeah.
I'm way into the city main, which it should be done already. Good. it should drop right into a big city main, which... Alright, set me up. Hey guys, you know what they shoved down there? Everything but the kitchen sink. Hey! Alright, pull it out.
You know it, right?
Mm-hmm. Run the gun for me. Tripod right here. City, have them jet it.
Yeah. Wait and do what?
Have them jet it.
What's that?
It's like a jet for sewers.
And just power stuff?
Yep.
I mean, went down a little.
I really like to get it clean. Let's try it one more time. Come on. I don't have another big machine with me, so I don't feel like going to get it. That was a big lava crack, you know?
Yeah, that was crazy. I can't get over that.
Still want to be a plumber?
I've been through worse.
You have? What?
I don't know.
Not in plumbing. Oh, there it is. Big fish coming. I'm telling you, it's right here. A pair of gloves, dude. I want a double glove up. Are we getting bit by greenheads here? How'd the toilet flush upstairs?
It went down.
Went right down, right?
Yeah.
Do me a favor.
This kitchen sink's a mess.
They're both clogged up. Listen to me. Go upstairs, flush that toilet twice for me. Maybe we'll get some water pressure behind this too, okay?
Okay.
Oh, there we go. We got it. There we go. Oh, magic. got it. Okay, run that. Alright, look at me. Flush both toilets twice. Please. Both sides, yep. I'm pretty happy right now. Now, in the plumbing world, I got a big surprise coming for myself. New machines coming and a camera, but we all know that a ton of paper towels is thrown down here, and that's just a no-no. And of course, these city traps are obsolete, and in the city of Atlantic City, they leave them until they go bad, and then they come out and replace it with a T. There we go. You can actually hear it going in the city main too. And here comes the house side. You can hear it coming down the line. The magical sounds of plumbing. Beautiful. Looks good. I gotta tell you, the beautiful thing about this, there's no extension cord. I love it.